afraid of no ghosts. If you're seeing things running through your head, who can you call?
Ghostbusters!
An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call.
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear it likes the girls. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Yeah, 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 yeah. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If you've had a dose of a freaky ghost, baby, you better call.
Ghostbusters!
Let me tell you something. Bustin' makes me feel good. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, oh no.
Ghostbusters!
When it comes through your door, unless you just want some more, I think you better call.
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Think you better call.
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I can't hear you. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Louder.
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
Who can you call?
Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
It might be.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat. Tell your neighbors or you die of fright. It's our town, everybody scream. This town of Halloween.
I am the one hiding under your bed. Teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next